Dental students need accurate drug information, and the Charles H. Trout Library has you covered. Welcome to this quick guide on navigating UpToDate Lexidrug for Dentistry. This is a database that will give you accurate drug information and the effects on dental treatment for over 8,000 prescription, over-the-counter, and natural drugs. So let's dive in. You're going to start out on the Charles H. Trout Library website, which is linked in the description, and you're going to navigate down the page until you see the A to Z database list. And on the list, you're going to look under U for UpToDate and click on the UpToDate Lexidrug for Dentistry link. So if you're working off campus, you'll need a username and password. If you need help finding those credentials, check the video linked in the description. So we're going to type in a drug name. So let's start with warfarin. So you type in your drug name, and you can use either the generic or the brand name. The brand name will just redirect you to the drug monograph under the generic name. So the search result page is often separated into two columns. The left column has the drug information, and the right column has patient education pamphlets. Often you'll see both pediatric and adult patient education pamphlets. So you're going to select the drug name to open the drug monograph information. And the drug monographs they're pretty long, but they're very comprehensive. So rather than scroll, you might find it easier to use the left-hand side navigation. It's the table of contents, essentially, to jump straight to the information you need, like dental information. There is a Find in Document feature to help you search through the document, and there's also a print option. If you need help citing Lexidrug for Dentistry, check the NLM tab on the Site Sources Guide on the Charles H. Trout Library website for that information. And that's it. That's a quick overview of Lexidrug for Dentistry. As always, if you need any help, please reach out to the staff at the Charles H. Trout Library for help. Thanks for watching.